Imagine living in one of the most prime communities in Metro Manila. Hi, I'm Jake Bautista from MetroGuide Realty, and today we are touring this brand new, well-built, modern industrial 5-bedroom housing lot for sale located here in McKinley West Village, Taguig City. This property is centrally located in such a prime community, and it's near Bonifacio Global City, the airport, Makati, and Forbes Park. Now join us as we begin this tour. This property has a total floor area of approximately 509 square meters and a lot area of 188 square meters. And it's also facing east. In addition, it has 3 levels with a basement area which can accommodate 4 vehicles. Now, these cars are not included with the listing, but this is a great illustration to see the size of the vehicles which can easily fit this parking area. Now, let's head on over towards your main entry. You have artificial turf grass right here, easy to maintain. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have a spacious living area with a high ceiling for your living space. You also have large windows at the front and corner of the property, maximizing the natural light from the morning sun. You can have plenty of furniture right here, and you can access the living space through 2 sliding doors leading out towards a tiled patio space. You can maximize this area as a space where you can have a nice barbecue area. You can imagine having a table and a couple of chairs right here, making this a nice al fresco extension of your living area. Let's head on in. And right here, what I initially thought was a design aspect is actually the door leading towards your powder room. From your living space, you have this sliding door right here, giving you access towards your dining room. This table illustrates the size of the room, and you can see that you can have 8 occupants here very comfortably. And even with the console right here, you can have a nice television set right here, or even a painting which can be featured through the embedded track lights here. You also have quality windows, and you can see that also from the thickness of the screens here. And you can access your dining area and kitchen space through this side patio, which is almost identical to the other side of the house. Let's take a quick look. So this is a nice extension of your kitchen space and of your dining area as well. And on this side, you have your modern kitchen. Ready with a built-in range hood, induction cooktop, and oven. And this is where you can have your microwave and your refrigerator right here. You have nice ceiling height as well. And you can access this room through the swinging door towards the dining room right here. And you can access also the basement area through the swinging door. But now let's head on back towards your main amenity space through this door right here. Every space in this house has been maximized. Upon entry, you can go up here towards your living space or down towards your basement, where you also have your first bedroom. Let's take a quick look. Here we are at your first bedroom. So this is a room which can have multiple uses. You can maximize this as a bedroom, home office, playroom, library, man cave. You have a provision here for a window type air conditioning unit as well. And right here, an ensuite bathroom. And even to maximize the area underneath the stairs, you have a storage room right here. And let's take a quick look at the parking area. And now we're here at your parking space. And you have your auxiliary kitchen right here, already with a cooktop. And this is the staircase leading towards the kitchen upstairs. You have a bathroom right here for your staff. And right here, you have your staff room. And a laundry area as well on this side. Okay. Now let's head on over towards your second level. Let's go. You have a view of the high ceiling space here as you go up the stairs. And this is a nice design aspect. And you can even put potentially a light fixture here because you have an outlet right here to make this a nice space to feature artwork. And here we are at your primary bedroom. You have a significant size for your primary bedroom, such that you can even divide it into two areas. You can make this a nice lounge space, and then here on the other side, you can have your television set on this side, and then you can have your king-sized bed on the other side. And you can see that that is really the provision because of these convenience switches, which are supposed to be beside the bed. A nice design aspect also is the angled wall right here and window to maximize the morning light. And it also is a nice touch for the beauty of the facade as well. And then right here you have your walk-in closet space and bathroom. And this is the only room with the master bedroom for the entire second level, so you can see that there's plenty of space. You have your water closet right here, your dual vanity sink space with color branded fixtures, your spacious dresser area, full-length mirrors, your shower enclosure, and then a separate room. And here you also have a provision for a window type air conditioning unit. So this space maximizes the primary bedroom. And then let's head on up towards the third level where you have your third, fourth, and fifth rooms. Let's go. Here we are at your third level. And here's a nice design aspect. The hallway space was maximized to have this counter area, which you can make as an area where you can have storage as a dry pantry. For example, you have snacks, or you can even put a small refrigerator, have it built in here. That's just an idea. Or you can have a coffee machine here. Now let's take a look at the rooms. Let's begin here on this side, the third bedroom. It's facing the front of the house. You have this nice picture window. And you can have even a queen size bed right here in terms of the size. You also have such a peaceful community and such a quiet street for this property. Now, this particular room has a separate storage space for clothes from the bathroom. So once again, you have color branded fixtures. And then right here you have your fourth bedroom. You already have a provision for split type air conditioning unit as well. And you can very comfortably have a semi-double bed right here with your television set here on the other side. And then you have your space-saving sliding door leading towards your ensuite bathroom. Now here, you have already the storage built in here. Okay. And now let's take a look at the fifth room. Now this room is a corner room also facing the front of the property. I like that the rooms don't have an irregular shape, so it's easy to arrange your furniture. You can have your split type air conditioning unit right here and your bed on this side with the television on the other side because you have the LAN provision on the other side as well. And then through the sliding door, you have your ensuite bathroom. So this is the only bedroom here in the third level which doesn't have storage. But in terms of the space, you can have a bed on this side and you can still potentially put storage in the other parts of the room. So it's up to you how you want to maximize it. Okay, and now let's cap off this tour by taking a look at this property's modern industrial facade. Thank you for joining us in this tour. And if you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.